Hello, my name is Sammy and welcome to Embodied Flow. In this class, we have a contemporary dance floor work warm-up. So this is a warm-up that I would typically teach for my choreography classes. If you're new to this movement style, it's definitely something that you can work up to. I have lots of other videos in the membership and on YouTube that are more beginner intermediate combinations that are included in this video and are broken down in a little bit more detail. So check those out if you'd like. There's also a little bit of movement language from yoga in here. So if you're a yoga teacher or a student, this is a great way to kind of get some ideas of how to maybe expand your practice or just open up some new movement pathways for you. So I will demonstrate the sequence one time, just watch, and then we'll do it together to the right and the left a couple of times. So the sequence starts on the back in a semi-supine, feet on the floor. And we'll start with our leg swings with the left leg. So the legs fall to the right and the left and the right. And on your fourth one, you'll take a body half, right, left, to curl everything into a fetal. From here, we're going to come onto our belly. So I sneak my right arm through, extend my legs, and come to prone. From here, think about curling head tail towards each other as the left arm snakes under. The more you round your spine, the easier this becomes. Now my mic might be a little sounding kind of crazy there, I apologize. We end up back in an X. From here, curl into fetal again, and then poke the left leg to sit up. We bring the right arm up and over, and then across the space in front of us, lifting the pelvis high into this stretch for the front of the body. Coming back down the way you came, ground your right foot to the floor. Inhale the arms up, and then exhale, little spiral over the right shoulder. From here, spiral the other way, plant both hands, and come into this plank position with the right knee into the chest. From here, shift your hips to the right, lower the right hip, and then we're going to come all the way around to roll on the belly. So the legs will swing first that way and then end up behind me. I'll show you what I mean. So we're gonna come all the way around to the belly for a little roll and end up in a lunge here. So that one more time. We've just finished our plank situation. We're here. You ground the right hip so the feet come all the way around to the front of the room. They keep coming around to the back of the room, so you'll have a lot of momentum and a lot of core strength to get this done. And then once they reach this diagonal, your hands come down, your feet come behind you, and you spiral into that lunge, sending the left leg back. From here, you'll plant both hands and slide the right leg up and back. Big stretch, bring it through, and then send it into a fallen triangle. Right leg comes through. From here, you'll bend both knees, curl everything in. The right leg hooks in front of the left. And then we're gonna take a little kind of baseball slide that way. So the right hand plants and the legs come this way. From here, we're just going to swing the right arm under, roll across the back, and get ready for the second side. So that last part again. Let's go from here. So we just finished our funky around with the legs, and we're in our lunge. The right leg sweeps back, comes through to here. Everything curls in, slide out, and then coming around this way. Let me show it again with the momentum so you can kind of understand the directionality of it from here. And leg swing to the left. So all of that one more time. We go leg swing to the right, to the left, to the right, and body half up and over, curl it in to the belly, left arm through to the X, curl it in, left leg pokes, come up and over, lift the pelvis, stretching out here, coming back, down, lifting the arms, planting the right foot, spiral to the right, come around, lift right knee to chest, and then we send the legs all the way around, roll across the belly, right leg forward in your lunge, pausing here, and then we send that right leg up, poking back, sending it through, reach here, exhale, curls you in, slide out, right arm under, and leg swing to the left, to the right. I'm just gonna go through the left side. So we have body half left, right, curl it in, left arm pokes through, right arm pokes through. To your X, keep it moving. Poke the right toes up and over with the left arm. Lift the pelvis. Coming down, plant the left foot, reach the arms. Exhale, twist. Come over the right leg. Left hip lowers, legs come all the way around. And then we're coming into our left leg lunge. That's a doozy on the left side. Plant the hands. Left leg comes up and back, pokes through. Fallen triangle, reaches up. Exhale, curl. Send it through. And around. To leg swing. To the right. So I will say this is kind of a more advanced combination now that I'm doing it a couple times, so give yourself grace. And yeah, have fun. Let's workshop this moment on the left side. So that left leg comes through to your fallen triangle. The right arm lifts, and then the right arm kind of pushes the left leg to curl up so you're really small before you expand out to kind of this position in the baseball slide. Right away, that left arm snakes under to come here to leg swing. So maybe trying that one more time. I could use it a couple more times for myself too. We come up, send it through, close it, send it through, and leg swing. Yeah, let's try it. So we're in that semi-supine. Take a full breath in and let it go. A couple more like that. And then the leg swings to the right. Inhale through center, exhale to the left. On your fourth one, body half, right leg, left leg. Curl everything in. Swipe to the belly. Left arm comes underneath and back to your X. Curl onto the right side. Poke the left leg out. Coming up and over with the right arm, stretching here. And then exhale across the space in front of you, lifting the pelvis in the left arm, reaching, extending the front of the body. Low back is long here. And then coming back down to seated. Plant the right foot, lift the arms, inhale. Exhale to twist. Come over the left leg, pull the right knee into the chest. Lower the right hip and swing the legs all the way around. Head faces front. Finding your lunge, sending the left leg back. Breathing here, stretching, sending energy out through that back heel. And then plant both hands, swipe that right leg up and back. And then bring it between the hands and the foot for a fallen triangle, reaching through the left fingertips, reaching long in all directions. As you exhale, close everything in. Wrap the right leg And then finding that slide, right arm comes through and we leg swing to the left, to the right, to the left. So we have body half left and right. Curl it in to the belly and through to the X. To the fetal, right foot pokes to sit up, side bend, up and over. Exhale, come across the space in front of you, lift the pelvis as you inhale, reaching long through the spine here from fingers to toes. Exhale, bringing it back down, plant the left foot, inhale, arms high, exhale, twist over the left shoulder. Hands come to the outside of the right leg, lower the left hip, send the leg all the way around. Rolling across the belly to that left leg. Lunge, pause here. Breathe, stretch. And then send the left leg back and through to fallen triangle. Lift the right arm. Inhale, press. Exhale, close everything in. Send it out, left arm threads under. And we'll go again, a little quicker this time. Leg swing to the left, to the right, body half, right, left, curl in to the belly and back to the X. Finding fetal, left leg pokes, coming up and over to your side. Bend and around. Lift the pelvis and back down. Plant the foot, find your twist over the right shoulder, and find your plank. Lower the right hip, coming around, rolling over. Find your lunge, left leg back. Breathing here, catch your breath. Plant both hands, right leg pokes, and comes through. Lift the left arm, curl it in, and slide right arm under two legs, swing left and right and left. Body half goes left to right. Curl in to the belly and back to the X. Curl to the left, poke the right foot, up and over and swipe. Lift the pelvis. And back, down, plant the left foot, exhale to twist. Come over the right leg, ground the left hip, send the legs around. And to your lunge, right leg back, breathing here. Left leg comes through, and fallen triangle, lifting the right arm. Curl it in, send it out. Roll across the back to your leg swings. But we'll just rest here. Taking some full breaths, letting those pathways kind of settle. Noticing heat in your body, noticing energy, noticing any tingling that might be present. Just kind of noticing that imprint of movement on the body, even as we're here in stillness. Let's draw the knees into the chest. You can stay here laying down if you'd like, or pull yourself just to a more upright position. To close this practice, we'll just take a moment to, again, notice the breath. Notice how you're feeling And maybe call in an intention or something that you would like to take into the rest of your day. And thank you so much for practicing with me, for following along in this kind of wacky floor work sequence. Remember that you can watch this as many times as you want, that this is definitely a more advanced class, so give yourself grace, be patient, let it be light, and I'll see you next time.